Hey, what's up, YouTube? Here fucking around, got the voltmeter out. I made a power supply. What I just figured out is, plugs in here, a little cord for it, right here, and you got 12 volts, you can do 15, pretty much just like a computer power supply. I whipped it together, put a switch on it, and I've been stripping boards, mainly for these right here, capacitors. I'm getting a nice big stack of them. I'm just stripping boards. Right there's the board. Pretty much taking everything off them. I got a pile of shit to go through there. Looking for the big capacitors. Big ones. Like there's a big one. 450 UF. I don't know. I have to rip that one off. But yeah, I want some big capacitors. And I'm just taking out transistors and shit too. But all kinds of stuff. Strip apart. There's some in here. Yeah, I see a little board in there. Strip that out. Just fucking around. A little pile of these going on. A whole bucket full of shit. Plugs, cords, wires, just fucking being goofy. I hooked up the Sony Explode 1000 watt in the dual. Fucking around with them. Running 212s off the Sony. Just dicking around. But yeah, I'm gonna go up and hook this up. See if it fires up an amp. Peace. By the way, this power supply has 3 chips on it, 3 heat sinks, and there's a couple decent sized caps in there. I don't know how big they are, but we'll see if they keep an amp on. Alright, peace.